It's my break. I should be having a break. No, my boss has to tell me I have to clean all this mess, even though it wasn't mine. Where is this mess even becoming? Why is there a dinosaur holding from four strings? Wait, I'm gonna suck you up. Come here. Come here. Why are you up there? I need to clean you. Come down. Wait, the question is it alive? Wait, let me throw this at it. Eh. Hello? You there? What is it doing? How did we get up there? Wait, I'm gonna get up. Come down! Now! I know what to do. Oh, we're lowering. Why will we... Come! You know what? The old-fashioned way. There you go. Come here. As it's still standing. Wait, I want to see how it's standing still. Let me see. Let me see this. Let me see this right now. Oh, what? Seriously? Who destroyed my beautiful house? No, my beautiful house. Wait, I need to go check my secret base. Hurry, quickly. Up here. Come here. Let's go. Open it up for me. Thank you. Eh. What? Is this another dinosaur? Yeah, that doesn't matter right now. It's my secret base. Oh no, my base is open. We're gonna check this out. No! My workshop! It's all trashed. Oh, whoever was here, I'll make sure I'll find you. I'll make sure of that. Okay? I could just rebuild it, like, in the next 2 years or something. We have to go back up. What is this? Wait. I never put this here. What is this? Get up. What the? What the hell? Like, what the? How long is this? How long does this go? What? Excuse me? The roof is bomb-proof, surprisingly. You know what? Where is it? Just gonna take this all the way here. Okay. Wait. Banana, are you there? I'll be there soon. Just need to get a little farther this so I don't die. Okay. Wait for the explosion. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Hello? You there? You there? Who built this? I never built this. Crouch. You know what? Explode it. You know what? Just do this. Eh. What? This leads to... I don't know what this is. Ah! That was shocking. That was kind of dumb. Of course, it was gonna fall on my head. I'm gonna do it right one time. One more time. One more time. Ah! This is fun. But you know what? What's even funner? This. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. I said go. Hello? Anybody there? Well, of course nobody's there. If there were there, they'd be in heaven having a cup of tea. Yeah, I'm just gonna drive this home. Well, my home is ruined now. Get out of here. Ah! Yeah, that's a really bad car. I'm just gonna go here. It's gonna go here. It's gonna go here. Yeah, this is a better car than that big thing mobile drive. Let's go. Ah! Oh, maybe I'm just a bad driver. I don't know. Okay, let's drive home. Nearly flipped over again. Oh, there's a dinosaur in the way! Why is there another dinosaur? Is it alive? It looks fine. Oh no. Its tail's nearly ripped off. I'm gonna rip it off. Hmm. Okay, let's just keep driving. Let's go! Ah! Ah! The head just moved. Ah! It is still alive! I just died somehow. I'm still alive. Where was it? Okay, it's off there. Eh, eh, eh. It was moving its head. I was so dumb. Why did I go walked up to it? Where is it? Is it over there? Oh my god, there's so much more. This one just looked like someone shut it down. Wonder how. Don't know how many sledgehammer can't go through that. Hey, there's another one, and it was also hooked up to a string. Is this one alive? Oh, that one was also alive. Okay. Next time I should shoot it first. Actually, I got a better idea. Random fire. I completely missed a dinosaur that killed me. Did I? Did they? Hello? Are you alive? Hello? There it is. I killed it. Well, I'm gonna make sure of it. Attach it. I'm gonna disattach his head. Okay, that's one is dead. Make sure that one is dead. Yeah, it didn't have a head. This one killed me. Ugh, die. Yeah. What you do after you mess up my day. Well, not my day. My house. Cliff house. Okay, open it up. Open it. How does... Okay, whatever. Uh... Wait a second. Dog? A banana? Banana, come here. Banana. Banana. Why did you pee everywhere? Huh? Not everywhere. Look, it's on the ground. Why did you pee? Tell me right now. Right now. Or I'm gonna suck you up with a vacuum. Come here. Come here right now. Time out. Time out. Time out. Time. I said time out. What? Why did you do a ballerina move when you came down? Your nose like 50 centimeters away from you. Yeah, he has no words. Um. Oh, you're talking about dinosaurs. Well, I never talked about it, but like still. Drive vehicle. Ah! Yeah, that vehicle sucks. Hey, look! This guy doesn't look in bad shape. He did lose a leg. He's dead. I'll save you. Even you're dead, I don't know how I'm gonna save you, but still. I'll save you. Come here. Come here. You don't want my help? You don't want my help? Okay, 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 okay. Come here right now. Come here. Oh, that was a bad idea. Subscribe!